What's up guys, my name's Ashley and welcome back to my main channel and welcome to the unboxing video. This is my first unboxing video. This is unboxing my new Hearthis PC, gaming PC. So without further ado, let's get into this now. I need to kneel up like this so I can show you. So we're going to open this here. I've already taken my address off, so you don't need to worry about my address. Right, come on, open. Oh, duh. Now, guys, I don't know how to do unboxings, lol. But this is an unboxing of my gaming PC. So I hope you enjoy this unboxing. We've got a lot of wrappers here. Jesus Christ, how many wrappers are there? What? Look at all these wrappers. What the fuck? What the fuck? Throw them over there just for a minute. Look at all this! What is this? What is this? Nice. I've got to say though, nice padding. What? Well, have I got to build it myself? Oh shit. This one I'm probably gonna fuck up, guys. I gotta build it myself. What? What? VR ready, safe slot. Oh. This is gonna be fun, isn't it? Alright. Here's the PC here. Oh. This is the big box. Right. Right down there. Oh, Jesus Christ. My room's too small for this. I told me I've got to build it myself. I don't know anything about bloody building my own gaming PCs. I thought this came with it actually built. What the fuck? Oh. So this is the Hearthis PC. Let me just. Oh, this is gonna be hard. Put it up there. Okay. I gotta turn it on its side and I gotta pull it out. Ugh. This is heavy. Ugh. Come on. Come out wherever you are. Right. Oh, Jesus Christ. This is a two-man job. I'm doing it one man. Oh shit. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh shit. Sorry about my swearing, guys. This is the first time I've ever unboxed something on YouTube. I don't know how. Oh, I'm ruining the box here. There we are. It's just sliding out. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Turn it over. Come on. This is heavy. This is so heavy. I'm gonna be out of frame, guys, so I've got to pull this out. Almost there. Come on, come on. Oh, Jesus, come on. How big is this? Come on. There we are. All these boxes it comes in, what the fuck? Right, now, I don't know how... Right. Please tell me there's instructions on how to build this. Is there anything in here? Got no instructions. Right. Right. Come on, come on. Oh shit. How's it already broken? Come on. Come on. Like I said, guys, this is my first unboxing. Oh, is this the instructions here? I'm not sure. Holy shit. User guide. One instructions, please. Wireless USB adapter. Oh, it looks like it's already. Wait, following instructions for using. Right, instructions. Guys, I think this is gonna be a very long unboxing video. I'm like so confused. Is it already built in there? Oh, T-Force GTX. So it's already in there. Here's the adapter. Wireless adapter. AMDs are in there, innit? Yeah. Oh, now I get it. Guys, I was wrong. I do not have to build it myself. It's already built in there. These are just instructions if I want to upgrade it. These are just instructions if I want to upgrade it. There's nothing else in this box except for screws and stuff. And then this USB thing here. Right. Got that, got that, got that, got that. Alright. Alright guys, this is the front. As you see, it's got a disk drive there. And I'll let you guys see the inside. Right. Come on. So yeah, it's already built. It's just this wireless USB adapter for the internet. And then you've got this wire here. Okay, this wire. Yeah, it's already in there. There's the fans there, the disk drive there. LAN guard, all the USBs. Alright guys, this is the inside of it. Oops. That's the inside of it, as you can see. Alright guys, now, do I put this down somewhere? Alright guys, and that is it guys for this unboxing. That was 10 minutes of unboxing. Now guys, let me go through the specs. This gaming let me go through the specs. It's on my bought stuff on my Amazon. Wait, hang on a minute guys. Right, hang on a minute. Here we are. Right, guys, the specifications for this is a fierce RGB gaming PC. It has AMD Ryzen 3 23000X 4.0 GHz. Then Nvidia GTX 1650. 4 gigabytes, then 8 gigabytes of RAM, which is 2666 megahertz. Then also a 240 gigabyte solid state drive SSD, 1 terabyte hard drive, and Windows 10 compatible. And this model is a Mars 1132305. The product features are unstoppable gaming with the fierce Mars RGB gaming PC desktop computer created by gamers with over 20 years of computer build expertise. Play all the latest AAA games on higher settings. Component list. The component list is super fast 4.0 GHz quad core AMD Ryzen 3 2300X processor plus 240 gigabytes of solid state drive SSD. Plus 1 terabyte hard drive and 8 gigabytes of 2666 megahertz DDR4 RAM / memory. Plus Nvidia plus Nvidia GeForce GTX 1650 4 gigabytes plus Asus AM4 Prime A320 MK motherboard plus CIT Prism Black RGB. It features HDMI plus DisplayPort and DVI for slick, colourful graphics on modern displays. USB 3.0 for super fast data transfer at 600 megabits per second. Wi-Fi for lag-free gaming. 1 year free BullGuard internet safety security, and 3-year warranty. And that is the specifications for this computer. Let me just put this over here for the moment, so I can end the video. Alright guys, if you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and you share your favourite, and please subscribe to my gaming channel. I'm going to be uploading more frequently now. It's one of my New Year's resolutions. I'm going to be doing I'm going to be uploading a BitLife episode, which is I'm bringing BitLife back. This time I play as the Joker, so don't miss that. Please subscribe to this channel, turn on post notifications so you never miss another post, and subscribe to my game channel and turn on post notifications so you never miss another post. Like this video, please. I'm aiming for at least 10 likes on this video, and I'm aiming for at least 10 likes on this video. And please subscribe. I'm aiming for at least 100 subscribers on this channel on my main channel, which is this channel, for the end of 2020, and at least 50 subscribers on my gaming channel. So please subscribe, turn on post notifications, never miss another post, and share your favourite, and like this video, share it with your friends. I'll see you next time in another video. Thank you so much. Cheers. Goodbye. before I go, I want to tell you how much this is costing. This gaming PC costing me £499.95, which is basically £500. I am not rich whatsoever. I am not rich. I bought this using my Christmas money as well as my job seekers, which is a benefit in this country. I saved it all up, and now I bought this PC, and now I've got nothing left. So this is just a little end note. After I said my ending goodbye.